Is adore you all of the time.
What is up? What is up? What is up, everybody? How you doing? Coming at you with a nice, quick little 30-minute workout video for college students on the go, man. Everybody thinks they don't have enough time to work out, but in reality, it only takes 30 minutes. Now, what I'm doing right now is a little warm-up fly set for chest. That's the first thing we're going to be hopping into. Now, what I recommend to do for the first set is around 10 to 15 reps. Something that you can do for 10 to 15 reps, you would do that 2 sets. I'm using 135. Bench press is a key component into building your chest the way you want to. I recommend it to everybody, even females. That's why I got my friend Sarah with me, to show you guys that you can do it as well. What she's on is called the Smith machine. Now we're gonna get into the actual workout set after we finished all of that with the warm up. Now what I recommend doing is about 3 sets of 8 reps, which is gonna be 24 reps in total. Now I'm not gonna get too much into benching form, but pay attention to how I am. Pay attention to what I look like while I'm benching. You never want your butt to leave the bench, or else you can risk back problems. Now the rest period should be about, I'd say around 30 seconds to a minute each, because you know this is a 30-minute workout. So you're gonna wanna keep your rest periods down. This way you're gonna lose a lot of fat and build muscle way quicker. You're done with those 3 sets, you're gonna go ahead and move over to your back. What she's on right now is called a back row. I'm pretty sure every standard gym should have that. Pay attention to how she's doing it. You wanna use a weight that you can get about 15 reps out of. That way, you know you're doing all you can to break that muscle down and build it up way better. The rest periods are gonna stay the same as well. Now, once I finish with back, I go ahead and start on abs. What I like to start with first is planks. They're easy to do, and you're gonna feel something. So like what I do is around a minute to 2 minutes of planks. I do that for about 3 sets before I get into the actual ab workout. Do not forget to rest between each set, dude. I'm telling you, it is important. Now we're gonna get into the actual ab workout. I like to call these Russian twists. All you're gonna need is any pound medicine ball. Now I'm using an 8 pound and she's using a 6 pound. All you're doing is basically a sit up with the twist. You're gonna wanna try to hit the ball on the ground each time. I don't know why we weren't doing it. I guess because we were tired. We filmed this around 11 or 12 o'clock at night. So rep range 20, rest 30 seconds. Now we're gonna get into the crowd favorite. I do 1 set of hammer curls. I do about 15 reps on each arm. And then after I'm finished with the hammer curls, I go straight into regular curls. Regular curls get 15 reps on each arm as well. And I usually do this for about 3 sets with 1 minute rest periods. Now you can't do arms without doing tricep extensions. I'm pretty sure your gym has a cage, so you're gonna see these ropes somewhere in there. All you're doing is just bringing it up to about the midpoint and bringing it down and squeezing your triceps. Do not use your shoulders. All you should be using is your elbows to bring it straight up and down. This is gonna be the same, about 3 sets of 15, 30-second rest periods. Now I'm gonna throw this little bonus tip in there. If you really wanna build muscle, you gotta be doing push-ups. I don't care if you can't do any push-ups. Start doing something that has to pertain to push-ups. Push-ups are the fundamental that you need to actually start building your triceps and chest. It is a great workout and you can do it literally anywhere. Whenever you have time to bang out some push-ups, I recommend you do it. Now the second to last thing you're gonna wanna do is lunges. This is for your thighs. Lunges are great. They work very well. All you're doing is 1 foot in front of the other and do not let your knee touch the ground. You wanna do this in a longish area, not too long, or you can do it in place. It doesn't matter. Either way, if you're lunging, you're doing something. You're gonna wanna do about 3 sets of this. Now the last and final thing, cardio. I recommend either a Stairmaster or a treadmill if you don't have a Stairmaster in your gym. Now, whatever time you have left to do this, I recommend doing it for that amount of time. Now, we had about 10 minutes left over after the workout. If you're actually following the rest periods, then you should be golden with your cardio at the end. Or you could do this in the beginning. Now, if you don't want to jog, I recommend walking at a very nice pace. And when I mean nice, I mean actually walking. Not that little nice stroll on your phone that people be doing. I want you to actually walk and move. And that should be it for this 30-minute workout for today. Let me know if you guys want another workout video. I can give a whole lot more different workouts. Okay, listen. Before you jump on me, I'm sorry I haven't dropped the vlog in a minute, dude. I've been so busy. It doesn't make any sense how busy I've been in the business administration part of the school. So, we've had a lot of meetings, a lot of forums, a lot of good stuff like that. And I joined an organization or two, you know what I'm saying? Because, I wanted to meet some new people, make some new friends, and start networking. And I think I've joined a good group, and I think the networking's gonna start now. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a vlog or anything this week. It's just I'm trying to get everything right. But, wait a minute, I'm gonna be making a World Star Hip Hop video of FAMU for the set this Friday.
Putting offside.
Which should be today that you're seeing this. So I'm making that video today as you watch this one. It's also gonna be a vlog as well. So I'm gonna upload that vlog first, and then I'm gonna upload that World Star Hip Hop video about a day or two later, depending on how the vlog does. I've been on 2K for man, listen. 2K done dropped. I'm sorry, I blame 2K. I give 2K 60% of the blame, honestly. Cause I've been staying up all night just playing 2K, bro. I'll drop my Twitch down in the comments in the description box so y'all can go ahead and follow me on there so you know when I go live. Cause I'm live almost every night. So if I haven't dropped a video or anything, then just swing by my Twitch late at night and you'll see me, bro. We can talk, chat it up, you know what I'm saying? We can chop it up. Hey, for all the new people, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And for all my returning viewers and subscribers, hey man, glad you staying with the boy. Alright, bro.
Acknowledgements don't pay no bills, but I get the message. When I'm broke, I still walk like I got it all. Never ask my dad for shit, man, I got it, dawg. I just wanna drop a bag on your Escalade, cause you was there way before that fake love came. I hate when niggas act like I ain't say this years ago.